Hello Arturo. So this is the setup I currently have. I have a Wabeco machine. It's a lathe that had a CNC system provided by Wabeco with a software that didn't work very well. So I replaced everything with your systems. So I have the C82 inside this box. Everything fit well inside the box, and I was able to manage to keep the manual control, so that I can use the lathe both as a CNC machine and as a manual machine. So I'm going to show you just a very quick example that I'm trying to turn this piece of wood into a cylinder. Very easy. And so this is what I'm doing. I'm just turning the lathe, the main spindle, to 1000 revolution, and then I'm going from 0 to 180. And I'm show you how this works. So first thing, the lathe is turned on. The speed is about 1000. It is controlled via the analog or signals, so it's not really that precise. I'm reading the revolutions of the spindle through an encoder that's inside here, and it's communicated via Ethernet with the card as well, and it's being read here, and it says that it should be about 1000, but I'm not sure that this is turning exactly the way it should. And you can see that it's working very nicely. And you can see my dog too, if you want. She sleeps here beside me all the time. So I'm very pleased with the solution that we implemented. It's working very nicely. I still have to learn how to use properly the software, but the machine is working very well. Going to go back to the 0 point and turn the spindle off. Now it's coming back to 0. Okay, so this is the way it works. Now I can turn the CNC off just to show you. We'll disable here. I'm going to turn this knob here so that I can put the lathe into manual operation, and I can control it the way I used to, so I can change the speed. And then I can move manually the lathe. Okay, so that's it. I'm very pleased with the system that we fixed. Thank you very much, Arturo.